Public Library, here with the Cooking with Kids recipe. In this video, I'm teaching you how to make an easy 2-ingredient pizza dough, perfect for a quick meal on a Friday night. You can find all the ingredients listed in our YouTube description so that you can make this recipe at home. And here's my friend Nate with more information.
I love making this easy pizza dough recipe with my mom on a Friday night.